one karma finished. Ladies and gentlemen, there is always a reason to smile when you see how Krishna is finishing the karma one after another, and therefore it is important to smile. There was a little girl once sitting on a flight, and suddenly there was tremendous turbulence in the flight. I have had that experience. I was flying from Hanover, Germany to Munich on Lufthansa. And suddenly, me and my colleague, Shikshashtakam Prabhu, we were both on that flight. And just as the flight was about to land, the wheels wouldn't come out. So from midair, they had to take off. Now, if you have not had that experience, I pray that you don't. From midair, it took off. And when it takes off from midair, the speed, God, I can't explain. And our flight was practically at 90 degrees. We got a free 180 reclining bed without business class tickets. Both of us were like this. And then my friend, colleague, Shikshashtakam Prabhu was right next to me. And he says, Prabhuji, aa gaya, apna time aa gaya. Mala nikalo. Abhi time aa gaya apne. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. Abhi idhar jinda baitha hu, matlab land hua flight. So there was so much turbulence on this flight. Shaky, wobbly. And everyone was panicking. Screaming, howling, shrieking. Some were praying. And the pilot announced an emergency landing. Big, massive disaster. There was a girl, tiny tot, about 5 years old, sitting in the window. And she was reading a little book. Look at the book, read it, close her eyes, move her legs, smile a little bit. Again, read the book. Close her eyes, move the hands and legs, smile a little bit. This is what she was doing. And then, somehow, by God's grace, the plane landed. No goof-ups, no hiccups, things were fine. Everyone, hurrah, hurrah, celebrations, celebrations. All excited. This girl was still smiling peacefully. So the guy who was sitting right next to the girl in the aisle seat asked her, daughter, I have a question for you. I mean, everyone was panicky. Such a massive disaster, everyone was panicky. How did you're smiling? How did you keep your cool? He said, that's very simple, uncle. He said, you weren't scared? She said, no. You weren't afraid? She said, no. So how were you smiling? Very simple, uncle. The pilot of this plane is my father. You know? And he wants me to live more than anyone else on the flight. You know? And therefore, when one knows that the pilot of our life is Krishna, like Arjuna had Krishna on the chariot to ride his chariot, तब क्या रोना? कितना भी कठिन हो जाए, तब के लिए रोएंगे तो जरूर. कुत्ते का इंजेक्शन लगता है तो आँख से पानी तो आएगा. लेकिन साथ-साथ में मुस्कुरा भी सकते हैं. When we have that faith and trust that Krishna is with us, we can smile. And therefore, we must value this. My Guru Radhanath Maharaj, His Holiness Radhanath Swami, he says, do not take this material world so seriously. Why? Because it's always changing. Something that you take so seriously today is going to change tomorrow. Usko lekar baitho mat. Haso. Smile. Krishna's there to take us through those turbulent times if we put our faith in Him. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, I thought I put the next slide. And therefore the most pleasing 5-letter word, smile. Keep it. The fastest spreading 6-letter word, Google. The fastest spreading 6-letter word. That's right, rumor, or I put here, gossip. You know, 2 Gujarati ladies were talking to each other. You know? And these 2 Gujarati ladies were slandering a third one. दोनों मिलके तीसरी का खीमा बना रहे थे. कुछ कचुम्बर बना रहे. Criticizing her behind her back. For 1 hour they are gossiping about her, and after 1 hour this one lady turns to the other and says, "अबे जावा दे ना अपडेसु." You know, अभी जाने तो अपने को क्या लेना देना है? तो 1 घंटा बोला क्यों? अपने को कोई लेना देना नहीं तो वो 1 घंटा गॉसिप किया क्यों? spreads like anything, you know.
This is a secret, yeah. I'm telling you only because you're my friend. Don't tell anyone.
Starts going. And if you want it to go faster,
Hey, you're my friend. I'm telling the secret to you. Just because you're my friend. Don't tell anyone, huh? ऐसा जाता है बात.
then don't tell anyone is a catalyst. Goes everywhere around, you know. Spreads all around the place. Why do you make opinions about a person based on someone else's speaking to you? कोई आके आपको कुछ गॉसिप सुना के गया तीसरे व्यक्ति के बारे में and you form an opinion about that person? You didn't check whether it's right, you didn't check whether it's wrong, you didn't bother to verify. सीधा एक opinion बना दिया, अधिकार दिया है भगवान ने हमको to form opinions about people just based on the gossip we hear from someone about someone else. I don't think so. Therefore, when Socrates was once sitting in Athens, Greece, one man comes up to him and says, "Hey Socrates, I want to tell you something about your friend." Socrates said, "Yeah, you can definitely tell me something, whatever about my friend, but if only if it passes the 3-filter test." So what is the 3-filter test? He said, first, whatever you're going to tell me about my friend, is it good or bad? He said, sorry, it's bad. Well, then I don't want to listen. But anyway, I'll give you a second filter chance. Whatever you're going to tell me about my friends, is it true or false? I said, well, I haven't verified. And said, don't say. Okay, whatever you're going to tell me about my friend, is it beneficial or not beneficial to me and him? Sorry, it's not beneficial. I said, go sir, I don't want to hear. Ladies and gentlemen, use this 3-filter test. कोई भी आपको कुछ भी बोलने आए ना, किसी के भी बारे में, pass it through these 3 filters. First one, is it good about him or bad? If it's bad, don't bother to give your ears. Unless you can help that person. Second, is it real or false? First ask, सच्ची है कि झूठा बोल रहा है तू? बोला मुझे मालूम नहीं, पहले पता करके फिर बोल. And third, is it beneficial or not? If it is beneficial, listen. If it is not, it is sheer gossip. And therefore the 6-letter word, what should we do? Gossip. We should ignore it. What is the 7-lettered word? Most hard-working 7-letter word? Most hard-working 7-letter word? Haji? You're right. The most hard-working 7-letter word is success, नहीं? और success मिलाने के लिए, to get success, tremendous hard work is needed, tremendous determination is needed, tremendous patience is needed, tremendous knowledge is needed. और आजकल के लड़कों को तो वो knowledge भी नहीं होता है. एक स्कूल में एक टीचर ने, हिस्ट्री टीचर ने एक लड़के से पूछा, बेटा in which battle did Tipu Sultan die? The guy said in his last battle. Idiot. उसको पूछा, where it was the Declaration of Independence side? At the bottom of the page. When was Gandhiji born? On his birthday. In which state does Ganga flow? Liquid state. You know. If you have 6 mangoes and you have to distribute among 20 people, how will you do it? I'll make mango milkshake. और सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा दे बोल रहे हैं. और लास्ट पूछा, ज्योग्राफी टीचर ने पूछा, बताओ बेटा भारत में सबसे ज्यादा बर्फ किधर करती है? बोलता है दारू के गिलास में गिरती है सबसे ज्यादा. Success, you need to have a lot of patience, and we will fail. When you want to achieve success in your career, in your academics, in your business, in your profession, we will fail. And that's the example of the giraffe. The giraffe, when the baby giraffe is born, falls from such a high distance straight on the ground, and as the mother comes and positions the giraffe, positions herself right above the baby giraffe. And guess what she does first? Gives it a hard kick. बच्चे का जन्म होता है और माँ आके खाट से लात मारती है. तो बच्चा समझता नहीं, अभी तो आया है जिंदगी में, मतलब लात मारे, कौन लात मारा? लात का मतलब क्या है मालूम नहीं उसको. अचानक एक झटका मिलता है उसको. So as it's just coming out of that impact, झटका, the mother gives a bad second harder kick. Now the guy understands. अगर मैं कुछ किया नहीं तो ये चलता रहेगा सिलसिला. So this baby giraffe starts getting up on its wobbly legs, on its wobbly legs. And as the baby giraffe gets up on the wobbly leg, थोड़ा खड़ा होना सीखा ना, फैड एक और लात मारती है माँ. फिर गिर के he gets up and starts running. And then the mother giraffe goes, hugs the baby and starts kissing the baby. You know why? Because the baby giraffe's flesh is very soft and supple, and hyenas and lions love it. The mother knows that I can't be with the baby giraffe all the time. I have to go and get food for the baby. How would I protect it? इसलिए पहले ही एक ऐसी लात मारो कि ये उठना सीखे. और फिर जैसे थोड़ा उठा ना, तो एक और लात मारो तो याद रहे और फिर उठना सीखे. जिंदगी भी माँ मदर जिराफ जैसी है. कई बार लात मारती है. We fail. We should get up. And we'll fail again. We should get up. And like I